Hazrat Masruq narrates, I inquired of Hazrat Ruman, the mother of Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, about the ifk episode, affixing calumny to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha. She said, while I and Aisha radiyallahu anha were sitting, an Ansari woman came to us and said, may Allah Jalla Jalaluhu do this and this with so and so. Ruman said, why do you say so? Whereat she said, he has disseminated the story. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha asked, which story? So she narrated the story. She inquired, have Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam heard this calumny? She replied, yes. So Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha collapsed, and when she regained her senses, she had temperature and was feeling cool. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam came and inquired, what has happened to her? I, Ruman, replied, she has got temperature due to shock of the gossip which has been floated against her. Then when Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha got up, she said, O people, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, now if I take an oath, you will not believe in it. And if I put forward an excuse, you will not accept it. My and your example is like that of Hazrat Yaqub Jacob alayhi salam and his sons. So I seek only Allah's help against what you are propagating. Thereafter, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam went away, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed whatever He Jalla Jalaluhu willed. So she said, I thank none but Allah Jalla Jalaluhu by glorifying Him. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3388.